Get ready, start. Testified about recovery of weapon of offence at the instance of appellant, the investigating officer PW9 gave the details of his investigation and the evidence he collected in this case. The remaining witnesses were formal in nature. In documentary evidence, the prosecution inter alia adduced reports of the chemical examiner, the serologist, and the forensic science laboratory lady Dr. PW1, who conducted autopsy, found the injuries on her body, whereby a firearm entry lacerated wound of 3.5 cm into 2 cm on the medial side of left breast, on left areola, going deep, and fat tissue coming out of it. Firearm exist lacerated wound of 1/2 cm into 1/2 cm on the back of left side of chest. 3 pellets were removed from injury number 2 on exploration. Cartridge removed from injury number 1. Fracture of the rib. The medical officer deposed that Palura was injured and her lungs, pericardium, and heart were ruptured, and thorax cavity was full of blood. Through these writ petitions, the petitioners have challenged the vires of notification issued by the Colonies Department, Government of the Punjab, being illegal, void, without jurisdiction, and unconstitutional. Brief facts of the instant writ petitions are that all the writ petitioners were lessees over the respective chunks of the state land as given in the writ petitions. The leases were renewed by the Government of Punjab Board of Revenue through Statement of Conditions. Government of Punjab promulgated fresh policy whereby it has been decided that all the state agricultural lands situated in prohibited zone be leased out for temporary cultivation through unrestricted public auction for a term of 3 years. In all these petitions, the vires of the policy as well as the issuance of proclamation of auction of said lands has been called in question. The Government of Punjab, while invoking the powers under Section 10 of the Colonization of Government Land Act, issues statements of conditions, policies for the lease of state land, issue of statements of conditions of the uncultivated Banjar Kadim state land, which requires little effect for levelling etc., to be brought under plough, and which has sweet subsoil water, or for which supply of canal water can be arranged immediately, shall be leased out for a period not exceeding 10 years in lots ranging up to 50 acres, provided that such falling within 10 miles of a first class municipality. Stop.